Hi there, my name is Nadernejad, and I'm the director of Nadernejad Media, an online reputation management company helping you create an online presence that's more like you. We help you bury negative content on Google search engines and every search engine, and to really showcase who you are with a positive narrative. Now behind me is William Wang, and he is our web communication specialist here at Nadernejad Media. So he looks at the sites, and he's back here. So Don't mind the background. Anyway, in today's video, we're going to talk about if you can remove a link from Google search. So you notice there's a negative link out there. I don't know what the content is because you haven't told me yet, but you want to remove it. And you're wondering, how do I remove that link? Now, the best thing you can do is go and contact the webmaster, contact the publisher. And if you want us to look at it and kind of gauge how likely we think a removal will be, we can even let you know for free. But I recommend reaching out to them and saying, hey, can you remove this link? You know, it's not true, or it's factually inaccurate, or this is really damaging my personal, you know, my professional career. Or you can even say, this is damaging and jeopardizing my personal safety, and that's also a great reason to get it taken down. So I would reach out to them with a contact. You know, if you can get them on the phone, even better. Try to make a connection with that person. I will stress, do not get angry, do not get upset in the initial stages. Try to make a genuine human connection. I had a client, and she reached out to this was a news platform, right? They generally don't. They're a pretty big one. I'm not going to say which one it was, but they generally don't remove content unless there is a factual inaccuracy. But they decided to anyway because she spoke to another mother, and she says, you know, my kids see this article and they're embarrassed about their mom, and you're a mom too, so can you help me? And she got help immediately. She had the article taken down. So I beg you to try to make a personal connection in that initial stage to get the article taken down. Now, if you can't do that, the next thing to do is to always initiate a suppression strategy. We're going to push that down in search. And now, how long does that take? Generally, for us, it takes us around 3 to 5 months to push down content on search engines. If it's just one article, we could probably do it in a month, but we like to budget about 3 to make sure that we can push it down far enough with enough powerful content. And how do you generate this content? Well, the first thing is to launch a personal website. I think everyone should have a personal website. It stands out. If someone was going to hire you and they saw you had a personal website about the things you do, listing your experience, it shows a new level of commitment. So I would launch a personal website. The next thing is to start writing articles about yourself on your blog. Put your name in it. Create social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Search this channel. I have another video that teaches you 20 free social networks, and many of which I'd say probably 60 to 80% rank on the first page of Google. Now, they won't all rank, but the most powerful ones will. And I recommend doing that as well. You can create a Udemy or a Udemy, an online teaching platform, and start teaching courses. It has such a high domain authority that the instructor bio will always rank on the first page. No matter who you are, really, unless you're extremely famous and have very, very high articles on the internet. So I think there is so many ways you can push it down. Social media is one of them. Writing articles about yourself or having someone author them for you, and then hiring people for guest posts. You know, going to Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer.com and finding guest posting services, paying between $50 to $100 for a good guest post, and saying, hey, publish this article on your high domain authority blog. And domain authority there's a score given to every site, and every site gets a score. It determines its search ranking and its value to Google, and you want to find these sites and publish content there. So that's the best thing you can do. The answer is yes, you can remove a link from search. If for copyright reasons, the DMCA reports, you can remove a link if the webmaster removes it. But other than that, it's very difficult to remove a link. Now, you have the right to be forgotten, but I know people who have, you know, reached out on behalf of that and are still waiting, and it only applies really to Europe, to the UK. So I would initiate a suppression strategy at the end of the day. So I hope this helped you a little bit. If you have questions about that, or if you have, you know, any other concerns about your online reputation, reach out. My WhatsApp is down below. I'll get a notification instantly. I get a notification on my phone. I get one on my watch. I get one on my computer. I will know the moment you send me a message, and I'm here to help. I really have empathy for you if you're going through this, and I wish you all the best. Again, my name is Nadernejad, the director of Nadernejad Media Incorporated, and thank you for watching.